I'm going to turn the fan's end to go down my body. I'm going to turn my fingers toward my body. So right now my thumbs are in the back, now my thumbs are in the front. And I'm going to run the tips of the fans together as I go down my body, and I'm engaging my shoulders just as if I'm in an ecstasy over the texture of these fans. Because when you're fan dancing, you're conveying sensuality. The texture of the fans, the air they move, is as much a part of your dance as the visual you present. You run it down, and you're going to open them all the way out, and fan yourself. Then you're going to bring your fingers to your shoulders and make a little ruff for yourself and flutter it a little. And I'm going to step, 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 and flutter back.